Salam! Hello! Today, I have a beauty unboxing. Every time I get one of these boxes, I get so excited. I have to confess, I'm a skincare addict. If you haven't seen my super long video of a huge haul that I had from Ulta, just know that I usually wait to get like a free gift or a discount. I try to be organized and now just order the things that I'm missing. So I usually have a huge wish list, and then when I see an offer, then I just go ahead and purchase it. So let's open this box. Okay, so the first item, it's alpha arbutin, and probably I'm butchering the name. So this is a serum and I use it to help fighting hyperpigmentation. I found it very helpful actually, and I also use other actives like vitamin C. Vitamin C probably every single day, but I could actually layer this before my vitamin C. And I noticed a huge difference in the color of the pigmentation. So it usually starts getting lighter and then it slowly starts to fade. I have a very stubborn hyperpigmentation. It has been forever. I have tried many things, but as I research more and become more knowledgeable about skincare, I can tell you that this is one of the products that I will definitely include to lighten dark spots. So you can try different brands. There is other brands. I haven't ventured into different ones, but so far this has worked for me and it's like really cheap. So that's one. Of course, a more important step to prevent hyperpigmentation is sun protection. So I had these two in my wish list. I'm constantly getting new sunscreens and a lot of people recommend this. I probably have tried, I don't know, like 20 different sunscreens. Sometimes people don't want to use sunscreen because they didn't feel comfortable or they had a reaction, their eyes was burned. That is my case. I have super sensitive eyes. I really had to go and try different and reapply to be able to find one that I felt comfortable. So far I have some favorite and these are new to try, so I will update you. Until you 60 and 50, this is a tinted mineral. A lot of people recommend this, so I have high expectations. Let's see, I will update you that. I could make a whole video about sunscreen, but please wear sunscreen. I think that's one of the, to me it's like most obvious, but it's how people and how really protect their skin, and it's almost like the best anti-aging thing that you can do. And then what did I get with the purchase? They had these little gifts with purchase, so I really need to start changing my makeup because in a long period of time I start creating bacteria, or although I try to disinfect with alcohol, some things are hard to disinfect. So this one, I for sure will try it. Something to discover treasures and these little samples. Now I got a full spray and cream, and I got this little set from Living Proof as a gift. I also got this mini kit from Chaisidon, and I love these ones because they are great for traveling, but it usually gives me a white cast. And then I got these minis that I love to have for when I travel. But yeah, so far these ones are great. And I also want to update you in my Celluma LED light. So I posted my first video in YouTube was about the device, and this is the iPro. I was planning on doing a 90-day challenge to see the before and after. So what happened is that you could actually use LED light in almost any circumstance. Right now I have been using it almost every day, but I only use it for 5 to 10 minutes. I don't actually go the half an hour like before. I think that at the beginning I was like half an hour, but I think it's not necessary. It has helped me so much with the setting, with the infrared light. That is the one that helps you with pain and aches. It helped me to control inflammation. And I think if you can, definitely invest in a device like this. Not only because of the anti-aging, but also because of the health factors. It's something that you can really use, that it's handy, that it's easy to use, and you just have it at home. Sometimes at night when my feet hurt or they are swollen, I put this over my feet, and like 10 minutes after, like I feel so much better. I feel that I can sleep through the night better. So basically I use it for whatever it's hurting. Like I just go and put the infrared light. The red light, which is more like an anti-aging, I think that it has been good, but you have to use it for a longer term to really see the results. But I trust the device, and I think that it was money well spent. If you can't, there is no reason why you shouldn't invest in something like this, that it's actually help you improve your quality of life, and I stand by that. This design makes it so easy for you to just put in any body part. I mean, I have to give them credit. This is so easy and flexible, and that's one of the advantage. And another thing is that specifically this model is you can use it without the plug-in, so that's also very convenient. So I don't have to be next to the wall when I'm using it. The other mode is the blue light. When I actually start getting some pimples during certain times of the month, I will use it like once, and it really helps me. Like even I put a little bit of blue, then I do a little bit of red, then I do a little bit of infrared, and it's awesome. It's amazing. Like definitely you should get one if you can. I would probably do another update and explain you guys more about this, because I could talk about LED light for an extended period of time, and I don't want this to be any longer. But let me know if you have tried any other brand of alpha arbutin, and how did you like it. If you tried this before and then you switch, let me know. I'm interested in also exploring other brands. So yeah, I will link some of the videos that I think that you might be interested here at the end of this one. Thank you so much for watching. Salam and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Video of, sorry about that, you're making noise in my video. Playroom, not, you can't, I can still hear you there. Every time I get one of these, sorry about that. I can hear your snack. You need to go. Please go to the playroom. We can hear you. I asked you to not make any sound. No, you can hear that. That's my son eating a snack right next to me. Can you please go to the playroom?